Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to roll back your version of Elementor. Sometimes this happens because the other plugin developer doesn't update their software and it causes a conflict. In this way, it'll allow you to put an older version of Elementor back on and get your site up and running quickly. If you get an error like this and you need to basically change your Elementor version, to do that you need to log into your dashboard, go to Elementor, Tools, Version Control, and here we can choose which one to go back to. So we can go to an older version and then press reinstall. So roll back to the previous version. And what it's doing now, it's downloading the old version of Elementor. So this usually takes about 20 to 30 seconds and it's going to overwrite the newer version and then you should be good to go. Then go back to Elementor Tools and we've got to roll back the Pro version as well. Go back to version control, select the previous version for the Pro version, reinstall, continue, and it'll go through the same process. And once it's activated, you can now go to the front end of your site, hit the refresh button, and hopefully it'll come back to life. On this particular site, I had to go back a couple of versions. I went back about 3 versions, and now the site's back up and running. While the plugin developer fixes the bug on their system, they've told me it'll be a few days, and it should be all right for the latest version. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice, and thanks for watching.